Tonight I'm staying in a tiny house for the first time, and I'm really excited because I've never been in a tiny house before, and I've always been so fascinated with them. They always seem to be so cleverly designed to make everything that you need in a home fit in such a small space. I just arrived at the tiny house that I'm staying at, so let's go inside and check it out. Oh my gosh, it is so cozy for a rainy day like today. I love that it's all wood paneled. I have some windows and a little desk area and a chair. Down here you have some drawers, so I would assume if you lived here, maybe this is where clothing would go. Then you have a couch area. Wait, no. Okay, we've got to figure out, is this a fireplace? This is amazing. So this is one of those like simulated fireplace heaters. So I think you can turn you can turn the flame like down or up, however you want it. And then this right here is a sliding ladder. So you can slide it over when you need it and then slide it back when you don't want it in the way. So the thing that really sold me on this place in the photos is this bed area with the like A-frame up here and the skylight. I could just live up here. Then next we move into the kitchen, which has another little window. They did a good job of incorporating windows to make this place feel bright, even though it's quite small. There's even planters in here with succulents. A fridge down here. We've got a little 2-burner stovetop, which is nice. A microwave, some plates and things. And then back here is the bathroom. So we've got towels up there, another little window, a mirror, sink, and a shower. So I've done a little bit of research to try and figure out what qualifies a home as a tiny house. And there doesn't seem to be an official square footage limit for a tiny house, but my internet searches have led me to conclude that it's basically anything under 500 square feet. And I also learned that tiny house sales have really grown in popularity the last couple of years due to the downsizing movement that's going on right now, where everyone's into decluttering, everyone's into simplifying their life and getting rid of all of the excess. They seem to also be popular for second dwellings that people will have somewhere on their property, and also for vacation rentals, which is exactly how I got to rent this one for the night. Oh my gosh, this bed is amazing. I think this is one of the coziest places you could ever spend a rainy day. Like, there's raindrops running down this skylight. I am a little bit curious about how this ladder's gonna go in the middle of the night, because I always have to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, so I'm going to be navigating that in the dark. Oh, there are also lights up here. How do I turn those on? So I completely missed that back behind these pillows there's outlets. And, oh, wow. And then these are the other one, maybe? No? Oh wait, what's this one? There we go. Oh my. I'm having a lot of fun, you guys. I don't think I've ever been so excited about what a light switch does.
Took the road less traveled. And my car broke down.
Good morning from the tiny house, everyone. Last night was good. I slept really well. There's something about this like enclosed space up here that makes you like kind of just want to sleep. It feels like a cocoon. I did have to get up to the bathroom. I got up twice and I made it down the ladder just fine. So last night I noticed that there's this space up here, and this little nook up there is designed for your luggage, which I think is so smart for people who are coming here from out of town and have big suitcases, because obviously where would you put them in here? And there's a step stool in this wardrobe right here, so you can use that to get up there. They also have this in the kitchen. I think this is actually hooked up to like different liquors that you can use as a bar that they might, like the owners might personally use, because there's like a locked drawer down here. So I don't know if like there's like a system that runs through the wall and then like dispenses stuff to mix drinks with. Okay, I'm up, I'm dressed, I've got a boiling hot cup of tea that I'm gonna let sit for a minute so I don't burn myself. So the tiny house experience, I've now done it. I don't think I could live in a tiny house. I just think it's a little too small. I say that because while this feels very comfortable and pleasant to be in, I have none of my personal belongings in here. I think once I got all that kind of stuff in here, it would definitely feel a little bit cramped. And also you don't have room for like a big sectional, which is something I really like having in my home. But I would love to have a home or a cabin or something with this aesthetic, because I love all of this wood paneling. I love like the loft feature. If this could just transform into like 1,000 square feet, that would be like perfect. The nice thing about a staycation is I don't have to go very far to get home, And also I didn't have to bring a lot with me. Like I didn't even bring a suitcase. I just threw like overnight stuff in a bag. If you'd like to see more videos like this where I stay in kind of the more unique places around here, let me know, because I could turn it into a series and that would be kind of fun. If you've ever stayed in a tiny house, let me know what you thought about it down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell to be notified when new videos are up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.